Welcome to Technique Friday with Els. Today I'm going to show you how I work in my planner. So the one I'm going to show you now is kind of my day-to-day book. So it's really, I'm going to use it all year round. I'm going to decorate it all year round. And as I go, it's going to add, so it's really, really fun. So what I did to start with, so I cut all my pages and I used like a kind of a smooth watercolor paper for my pages here. So you see I started, so I have all my tabs for the month here. So here it's still almost blank. So I'm kind of working on it as I go. But all my pages are in here already and I'm just stamping away. So let me show you a few things first and then I'm going to show you how I work. So here I have a pocket. So here my airplane ticket, so I can do receipts when I'm traveling. And of course you have your pocket here as well. But I'm going to decorate it here, of course. And then here, so what I'm going to do, so each month has like the 4 weeks. And I put the days, the weeks there. And then the important like birthdays or like the focal points. So Josette's birthday is the 1st of January, grandbaby Tom is the 30th. So you see, start Paper World in Frankfurt. And then here is Josette and here's Tom. So that's the birthdays. So the birthday girl and birthday boy, I guess. And so just cute pictures. And you see, so I color the pages. And then this will be my tab and this will be decorated as well. So this will be my page that I'm going to put like in the week that we are. So here you see, so here I have really the days. Here I have the year stamp. So I kind of circled where we are. So January, the week is the 1 till the 7th, and then it's 2019. You see, so just go through, show a few things. So here I started but didn't finish yet. And I think I have some done here, you see. So, and this is actually a fun page because here I dropped my stamp here. So you can throw it out or you can just kind of work with it. So that's what I did here. So kind of a happy mistake. You see, so here I'm stamping already. Oh, I finished this already. You see, so this is from one of the stamp sets. And here I use watercolor paper or watercolor paints. So this is all watercolor paint, but you can also use your oxides. And I wanted to show you this page with that. So I did this side already. So that's just the start. And as I say, I'm going to put this away. And it's, you just play. And that's the fun thing about it. So let me put my planner away. And I have the espresso planner here. So here you see, so this is just basically, you can stamp first. If you use the archival ink, you can stamp first and then color. You can also color your pages first and then stamp. It's all up to you. It's as you go, you can play. So here I'm just going to use some oxides. So I have the mustard seed, crushed olive and peeled paint. Looks like my mat is not totally, there's a bump here. I'm going to put a little bit here. Oh, I know where there's a bump. We're using a piece of wood flooring. And I kind of, tap, 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 kind of mix it up a little bit. There we go. And then I'm just going to take my page and just, that's the top. And then I need to, going to use my heat tool to just dry it quickly. And it curls a little bit, but that will be done at the end. So let me get my heat tool. I'm going to dry this. And it's too boring now, but with the oxide you can just add. Probably made it a little bit too wet. Let me tap a little bit. Here we go. A little bit of green here. And then the rest I will do with watercolor. So I'm going to take some water here. And what I want to show as well, so for the days, here the Monday, Tuesday, I had little stamping blocks. You see, and here I use the different ones because there's different stamp sets. So here now I'm using the smaller ones, but here you have the written ones as well. So I have the small stamping blocks and I put all the days of the week, made little stickers here, Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday and weekend. So that's kind of how I like to work with it. So let's work on this side. So again, I stamped with all the archival inks, or with the archival ink, because then I can just work as I go. And then you can just, let's see, which color do I want to use? Have a little bit of the brighter green. And then I just, see, I just like to play, and as I go I will decorate more, because that's what I like. So I might print little pictures and use those, and you know, just fun things. You can do like pictures of the week that you think, oh, that's a fun thing that happened this week. Print it on your selfie if you have that. You see, so that's how you kind of play. And I will show you some stamping as well. And I have the little number stamps here, and we're working on those as well to get those. So need to be a little bit patient, but they will come. And you can go a little bit out of the line, it really doesn't matter. Now, as I use a water brush here, but I never put water in the water brush, because then it's getting too wet, because these parts are pretty small, depending on how you stamp. You see, so that's kind of how your page starting to be different. And again, you can decorate as much as you want. You see, so kind of color, I can color those flowers as well. What I work with a lot is gel pens. So here I have the white. And you know, if I color the flowers, I can just make the centers. You see, it's all, there is no end. You can be so creative with the, you see, and that makes a difference already. It's so much fun. So that's that one. And then let me stamp a page as well to show you what I like to do. So I'm going to put this one in here, put it on place. And again, I just keep working on the pages. Let me get, where did I go to here? That's all done. How far did I get? April. So this is going to be my page with the week. So this is going to be the first one. And I'm just going to kind of the layout. So this is going to be the first 4 days here. So what I, again, so I have like a smooth watercolor paper here. And so we have 2 different ones with all with the year and the different months. So if I use this one, and I don't use a platform or whatever, because you know, it doesn't need to be perfect, because that's the fun thing with the planners. If I don't like it, I can easily take another page and start again. So that's why I don't need to worry if it's perfect. Or if I really mess up, it doesn't matter, I can just take another. So here we go. And again, I could have colored that page first as well, it's all up to you. Okay, so here I have my week. You see, and then I can do fill in the month, the year, and then I'm going to put the week here, the different numbers. So that's going to be 1 to 7 on the first page. And then I'm going to take my other stamp that I use a lot for all the days. Let me see. It's this one. So this set has the, you see the yesterday, this week, tomorrow, the days here. So these are the ones that are on my block here. You see the small ones from here. This one. And I'm going to, what I'm going to do here, so I'm going to stamp double. So I'm going to do one and then offset it. That one. You see, I don't try to be straight, because that's makes it more difficult. And then what I normally do, I do the bottom one, and then I know how much space I have in the middle. Take this out of the way. And then I'm going to do it again and offset it, because that's when I can kind of have the space that I can color. And I use that technique a lot. That's that. And then we have a stamp that has the lines. Let me find that one. And all the sets work together. They're really, really fun to use. There we go, and then we have little labels. So this is the one with the lines. See, so I take this one, this way, and I can just stamp that one. And that's kind of how I play. So, you know, I can do a month ahead. I'm probably going to do the whole year, but as I go, or get it ready, because, you know, we plan ahead as well, you see. So you can do this, and then you can do the days and the numbers. You can leave it blank if you want to. And I can't do the days now because I need to see first what is the day of the week that it starts with. But you see here I have the Monday, so I can stamp that, and I can do the numbers, or you can write the numbers there in the days, whatever you want. And now, so I can do oxides here, but I can also choose to just watercolor, because I can take like a lot of paint from somewhere. Let's do a purple page. You see, I can just start coloring here on the sides. So it kind of, that's how I work in my planner, and I love it because you can be creative. You know, it doesn't matter what you do. It's always going to be nice because you can add color. You can use another color medium. You can use gel pens with it. See, and that's how I work. And you just keep playing. And we have another fun stamp as well. Let me show you that one. It has the really fun little elements in there. Let me see. So we have all kind of, we have decorative sets. We have, oh yeah, I see it. Here they are. That comes with the days as well. So these ones, you see those little borders here. So those are to decorate on the side. So you can just put it on here. And so you can just put it. So it's just, and then you can color that in a different way. So you can do so many different things. You see? So that's another way to decorate it. So that's really, you can be as creative as you want it to be. So this is it. So this is how I started. So a little pocket for my receipts. Of course, I'm going to decorate this one. And then here, so I do the weeks first, like 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. And then here I have a little note, like one that I can decorate. Or here I did the different things. I put the pictures in there from the people that's birthday, like Josette and Tom. And here I just go for the week. This will be my like divider. So I can easily find which week we are at. And here you see, so this is not done yet. So I'm going to decorate those pages. You see here I just started. And here you see the week. And here will be Paper World. So this is still open, but somehow I kind of played here because it doesn't matter where I am. I can just look at this. That's one of the stamps as well. So that's kind of it. So this is, I just wanted to give you a kind of a rough idea of how I work for this one. And of course I have another planner with more pictures, but this will be my book that I take everywhere, every day, because I need it. So that is for this time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to download the free project sheet for supplies and measurements and step-by-step instructions, and see you next time.